Hey everyone, the Ola S1 Gen 3 series of electric scooters has been officially introduced to the Indian market by Ola Electric, bringing a host of improvements over its predecessors. This latest generation of electric two-wheelers features advanced braking systems, an updated design, and improved technology to enhance both performance and convenience for riders. The introduction of Move OS 5 also ensures that these scooters come with a range of smart features, making them more versatile and connected than ever before. One of the key highlights of the Ola S1 Gen 3 series is the addition of an ABS system with proprietary brake sensors and the new brake-by-wire technology. This provides better braking efficiency and enhances safety while riding. The scooters also receive a design refresh, giving them a sportier yet comfortable appearance. Ola Electric has incorporated several intelligent features, such as DIY mode, Smart Park, the Smartwatch app, road trip mode, Bharat mode, and a special SOS alarm that can alert emergency contacts in case of an accident. The series includes 4 variants, each catering to different rider needs and budgets. The entry-level model, the Gen 3 Ola S1X, comes in 3 battery configurations, 2, 3, and 4 kilowatt hours. It boasts a chain drive system, a redesigned chassis, and a color LCD screen. With a peak power output of 7 kilowatts, it can reach a top speed of 123 km per hour and offers an impressive IDC range of up to 242 kilometers. For those looking for an upgraded version, the Gen 3 Ola S1X Plus is available exclusively with a 4 kilowatt-hours battery. While it shares many similarities with the base S1X model, it offers slight enhancements in power and speed. This model delivers a peak power output of 11 kilowatt, achieving a top speed of 125 km per hour and the same 242 kilometers range. The Ola S1 Pro Gen 3 takes things a step further with additional refinements including a mid-drive motor, a WireTech brake system, new rim decals, a die-cast aluminum grab handle, and enhanced seat ergonomics for improved comfort. Available in 3 and 4 kilowatt-hour variants, it generates a peak output of 11 kilowatt and maintains the impressive top speed of 125 km per hour with a range of 242 kilometers IDC. For those seeking the most premium experience, the Gen 3 Ola S1 Pro Plus is the flagship model in the lineup. It includes all the features of the lower-tier models, such as rim decals and brake-by-wire technology, while also offering dual-tone seats and dual ABS for superior braking performance. Available in both 4 and 5.3 kilowatt-hours variants, the latter utilizes the advanced 4680 Bharat cell from Ola's Gigafactory. With an IDC range of up to 320 kilometers, a peak power output of 13 kilowatt, and top speed 141 km per hour, Ola S1 Pro plus Gen 3 sets new benchmark for electric scooters in India. Overall, Ola S1 Gen 3 series stands out with its blend of performance, smart technology, and futuristic design. Inclusion Move OS 5 ensures that riders benefit from enhanced connectivity and convenience features. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance riding, Ola S1 Gen 3 series offers a compelling package for those looking to switch to electric mobility without compromising on speed, range, or safety. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below what you think. Have a nice day, and God bless you.